Is this worth installing for your Tesla? It's a non-reflective, easy fit, anti-glare screen protector. Is it great? Is it worth it? Do you need it in Scotland or the UK? We'll find out. Stay tuned. So this is the Tesla Model Y 2024 screen, all been cleaned up. Nice and ready to go with this Spigen Easy Fit Glaster Easy Fit, which I've just used on in conjunction with the car screen cleaner, which comes from Spigen as well. So let's see how we get on installing this. It says it's going to be easy. Let's see how we get on. Right, so you get a fair bit of kit to go with it, instructions. You get your lens and screen cleaning wipes. You have dust removal stickers. You have a lens cleaner like you do for glasses, and a little nice bubble remover comb as well. Okay, I'm going to have to put my phone down and I'll see you on the next bit. So the next step is to take this back casing off here and then place it onto the screen. I've got the car in screen cleaning mode, so don't touch any settings or anything when I'm doing this. So give me a moment. Voila! A few wee bubbles there. Need to get rid of them. So where'd that comb go? Just press in a downward motion to squeeze them. You don't want to squeeze them to the end and push these bubbles out. Slowly, surely. Helps by pointing the camera in the right place as well. A few more. There's a little dust one there. It's gonna annoy the hell out of me, that. So there you have it, screen cleaning mode. Now this has been installed. I've got everything in terms of there's a little speck of dust that was left in there. I took that out, managed to lift up the lid and just managed to get that out with a fingertip there and press it back down. Get all the air bubbles out so it's nice, smooth, and kind of like a non-reflective one on the screen now, which is actually quite handy at this time of year in the summer, or even the kind of bright winter mornings as well when you've got the sunlight blaring in to the car. But all in all, this was incredibly easy to use from Spigen. It's available obviously for the Tesla Model Y and Model 3 and other variations of it as well on their website. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, so hope you've enjoyed this short video on one of the first of a few accessories I'm trying out for the Model Y. I have a few others in mind which I will do over the next few days. One of them I'm trying to find, and I hope if any of you guys can watch this and give me some suggestions, is a good mobile phone holder or something that I can put on the windscreen just to record in front of me. Any tips, please leave them in the suggestions below, but remember to click like and subscribe if you haven't done already, and I appreciate watching. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.